Hello everyone, welcome back to the Math UMS class, week number 14. Today, because you guys are getting vaccinated, so I do not want to give you another lesson because that will cause your headache worse. So instead of a lesson and homework, worksheets, and something like that, I will give you math wonders, a kind of entertainment that use the math properties. Okay, so don't worry, you will not find this lesson any difficult at all. Instead, it will be very entertaining and enjoyable. And in order to perform this kind of magic trick using math, I need to invite some special guests, the math wonders specialist. Please make some noise for the mentalist. Our guests today are the Mellon brothers, the mentalists. Oh, we are Mellon brothers, the mentalists. Okay, nice to meet you guys. I hope that you guys will bring us a wonderful performance today. So, the mentalist is a mind reader. So, find a place to sit down or you will fall on the ground while witnessing their superpower, their power to read your mind. Okay, now follow their instruction, please. Follow it carefully. Make sure that you will not make any miscalculation or you will make the wrong move. Okay, now the stage is yours. Think of any three different digit number like A, B, C. Okay, just think of any three different digit like A, B, C. I am thinking of one number on my own. Reverse the number ABC to CBA. Okay, got it? Students, do you have your number reversed? Okay, now see what is the next step. Find the difference between two numbers ABC minus CBA. Or CBA minus ABC if CBA is the bigger one. Oh, I see it. So we take the bigger number among the two numbers, subtracted by the smaller one. Okay, got it? Now, let's say the result is XYZ. XYZ is the sum you have found in the previous step. Reverse the digits of the difference. XYZ into ZYX. Okay, again, we'll repeat the step. Now we have two numbers, XYZ and ZYX. What are we gonna do next? Now add the last two numbers, XYZ plus ZYX. We are getting to the big moment. Okay, I've got it. Students, do you have your answer yet? We are gonna try to guess your result. Everyone, please press like this video if your result is 1089. Oh my god, they guessed correctly. My result is 1089. Did you guys all have the same number? 1089? That is unbelievable. That is amazing. Okay, they're such wonderful mentalists. Maybe the best mentalist I have ever seen in my life. How did you do that? I know you're all shocked because of my power. That's super normal. And before we reveal the magic trick, now let's have a look at the magical features that the number 1089 has. Now first I want you to multiply 1089 by numbers. 1089 times 1 equals 1089 obviously. Multiplied by 2 gives 2178. Multiplied by 3 gives 3267. Multiplied by 4 gives 4356. And so on. We have some products. Can you see anything special? Okay, let me see. I'll try to find something special in this pattern. Okay, I see it. Students, have you noticed it? Okay, let me do this part. Okay, the Madden's brothers. Let me do this part. Okay. Okay, guys, if you look at the digits, the first column of the digits of the products, you can see that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So you can see that the first column is a column of very nice increasing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. But there are more. If you look at the second column, it is also a sequence of increasing numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The next column, on the other hand, is the column of decreasing sequence. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. And similarly, in the fourth column, the numbers decrease from 9 to 8 to 7 and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is amazing. So when you multiply the number 1089 with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9, you will have a list of products which form a beautiful pattern with 4 columns. They are all increasing or decreasing sequences. There are even more. Even more? Okay, let's have a look at it. Oh, I see that the first and the last products, they are the reverse of each other. 1089 and 9801. Unbelievable. And even more, these two products are also the reverse of each other. The next pair, 3267 and 7623. Oh my goodness. They are all pair of reversed numbers, except for the last one here, because it is alone. It is an FA number. So sad to hear that. Okay. Thanks for watching, and that is the end of our performance. Okay, thank you very much, Melon Brothers. I hope that you guys will come back other time in the future and give us more like magic performances. We will be back with more magic. Okay, so glad to hear that. Okay, now, bye bye for now. Okay, so we have finished a wonderful performance from the mentalist Madden Brothers. The question is, how did they do that? Okay, have you figured out? I suggest you pause this video and try to think about this. Maybe rewind the video, watch the previous part, and try to figure it yourself. Okay, have you got it? If you haven't found out the way they did that, don't worry, because I'm gonna show you how did they do that right now. Okay. The first thing we need to agree on is that they actually do nothing. Because you do all the calculation, you do the number choice, everything is done on your own. So the proper question to ask is, why is it always 1089? Okay, so I don't know what number did you choose, so I will take a general notation for your number. Let's say it is a random number ABC. When the number is reversed, we have the number CBA. and we will use the number partition to see the calculation better. ABC minus CBA, it is 100A plus 10B plus C minus 100C plus 10B plus A, and the result will be 100 A times A minus C plus C minus A. But the problem is that C is smaller than A. So C minus A is not an actual digit. We need to borrow from the tens place. But unfortunately, we do not have the tens place because the tens digit of the two numbers is the same, so they cancel each other. We only have the digit in the hundredths place. So we will take 100. Can you see that? We take 100 from the A minus C hundredths. So we have A minus C minus 100 plus 100, and then plus C minus A. Can you follow this? See that? We take 100 from this out of the bracket to this. And in the bracket, we had to minus 1. Okay, now we have 100. So we want to borrow 1 unit from the tens digit. So we break 100 into 9 times 10 plus 10. And we will group 10 with C minus A. That will give us the value of the ones digit. So we have rewritten the result into 100 A minus C minus 1 plus 9 times 10 plus 10 plus C minus A, and this is the hundredths digit part. A minus C minus 1 is the hundredths digit part. The tens digit part is very simple, 9, and the ones digit part is 10 plus C minus A. Okay. Now the next step is to reverse the difference, x, y, z into z, y, x. Remember? So now 10 plus C minus A is going to be our new hundredths digit. See? 10 plus C minus A is going to be the new hundredths digit. And 9 times 10 is fixed. It's still the same. And the new ones digit is A minus C minus 1, the former hundredths digit. Can you see that? So this is the old difference, and this is the new number by reversing the original difference. Okay, do you remember the last step, which is take the sum of the two last digits, two last numbers? So we're gonna have this number added with this number. Take the sum of two numbers, and now we take the hundredths part. It will give us 100 A minus C minus 1 plus 10 plus C minus A. We put the common factor 100 outside of the bracket. Next we have the tens part. 9 times 10, so it will be 10 times 9 plus 9. Finally, we have the ones digit, minus a 10 plus C plus minus A plus A minus C minus 1. Here is the ones part. And if we simplify the result, we will have the answer 1089. So you can see that with any ABC digits, they will cancel each other in some way and always give the final result 189. So this is just the principles of mathematics. No matter what number you start with, you will all have the same answer, 189. So there's nothing magical except the way they express the calculation. So the performance is not the real magic, but the real magic is how they engage the audience, how they attract the attention of the audience. So I hope you will learn how to do that with your friends or your family members, and try to do this at home so that the family would have a good time with math, and maybe have some fun, and I think that will be a great bonding time. Okay, I hope that you have found this lesson something somewhat interesting. And as I have stated at the beginning of the lesson, there will be no more worksheet, no more homework, because I know that you're having a quite tough time dealing with the vaccine and having many exams. So all I want to say is Happy New Year. This is also the last lesson of the year on 2021. I hope that the year 2022 will be better than this year. We can see each other offline and have offline lesson at school, our beloved home UMS, and hopefully you will overcome all the difficulties in this pandemic and remain safe, staying healthy, and study hard, play hard. Okay, that's all I can say right now. Again, thank you for supporting me in the UMS math in the year of 2021. Hopefully, that support will continue in the year 2022. Thank you very much for your nice comments and your kind words. Again, thank you for attending this lesson, and see you next week. Also next year. See you next year.